How would you like to save about $300 on light bars that perform pretty much the same, if not even better, than the Philips Hue Play Bars? Keep watching! So today, we're having a quick look at these amazing light bars from Govee. They're called Govee Flow Pro, and like I said, they work exactly the same as the Philips Hue Play Bar, but cost about $300 less. Inside the box, you are greeted with a user manual, as well as a user support card with a QR code to download the app. Then underneath the box that houses the light bars, you get a set of mounts. One pair that's meant to be directly mounted to the back of your TV using sticky pads, and the second pair are stands that give you the option to simply place them on your TV unit if you prefer not having them stuck to the back of your TV. You also get the 1080p camera, which you can either place on the top of your TV or underneath it. That's what's used to analyze the picture on your TV, which then allows the light bars to mimic those colors. We're not going through the camera setup for this video, but please check out the link in the description for a video showing the whole camera setup, including an insanely good trick on hiding multiple cameras, but still getting the full functionality behind it. Next, we have the control box, which has the buttons for power, static colors, and music sync. The sticky pad on the back allows you to mount it onto your TV or on a wall next to your TV unit. On the side, it has two connection points, a Type-C connection for the light bars, and a USB-A connection for the camera, plus the DC power in and a microphone point that will let you control the light bars using Voice Assistant. Finally, you get some foam pads to help with the camera calibration and a power adapter with a DC connection. Right, onto the main attraction. We have the light bars themselves, which are in a very nice rectangular shape. On the back, there's the clip point for the mount. They are made from plastic, but the build quality actually feels quite premium. And of course, you have the Type-C power cable. Now, installation is super simple, and we're going to go for the TV mount today. So we'll just need the mounts to be stuck to the back of the TV. The control box connected, mounted, and plugged in. Then the light bars get mounted, and you're good to go. All you need now is the Govee Home app to pair the light bars, then you can immediately start enjoying the immersive experience, whether you're watching TV, listening to music, or playing games. And that was our quick look at the Govee Flow Pro light bars. Do you own these light bars? If you do, let us know what your favorite features are. If you're considering purchasing them, we hope you found this video useful. Otherwise, as always, thank you very much for watching. Until next time!